What's up YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today bringing you another unboxing video. We are in the middle of a Cafe Racer budget build right now. So with that being said, we're getting a whole pile of parts in and we're going to try and do unboxing videos on all of them. I'm not sure what this is, so you're going to find out the same time I do today. My initial impression of the boxing is this came directly from one of our suppliers, WPS, and when they get weird shaped packages sometimes they end up just kind of making a box work. So we've never had anything broken, but either way, in the box we have these Vortex clip-ons. These are 41mm 7° of angle clip-on. These are for our Cafe Racer build. It's necessary. If you're doing any kind of Cafe Racer, Brat style bike, you need clip-ons. You don't want to run a bar, you want to run a clip-on. So initial impressions of Vortex's packaging is good. I mean, it doesn't look like anything's jumbled around. If you pop it open here, you get two clip-on stalks, metal. They don't look like they have any kind of damage, a little scratching, but all this is going to get covered up by your controls and also your grips. You also get the two fork mounted clip-ons as well. Those are there. These are, packaged up nice, nothing wrong with them. You get some you get some bar end covers to keep your so that way your bars don't look unfinished. And one of our favorite parts, you get a Vortex sticker. That makes the $115 price tag for these worthwhile. We are doing a budget build, so it might seem confusing to spend $115 on a clip-on, but at the end of the day, you're going to be putting almost half of your body weight on that as you're riding the bike. So you don't want to spend $30 and get a cheap a cheap clip-on that's going to bend as you're going down the road. You want a good quality clip-on. So one of those places where you got to pay to play. So at any rate, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you're so inclined, please like this video, leave a comment, or subscribe to the channel.